Hey guys, I'm back with a new AI tool which is completely free and you can use every single large language model for free. Let me show you how it works. The name is LMArena and this is its landing page. It's basically a perfect example how you can utilize AI for free without paying any subscriptions using the same models. First of all, this is not a fraud. The only reason they made it free is because they need to test their AI and rank it into a scale against each other. And this is why they created this website called LMArena, where you can compare it in the battle side by side and direct chat and give feedback to the large language models such as Anthropic, OpenAI, or Gemini. And with this feedback, they can further develop their models and rank it into a scale 0 to 100. In this website, everything is available, starting from Nano Banana, the image generation model, to GPT-5, and also Claude Sonnet 4.5, which is just newly came out. You can either log in, which I not recommend, or you can use it without logging in, but it has a ceiling. For free, you cannot use it endlessly. But let me demonstrate how it works. So in the battle mode, you compare two anonymous models. I don't recommend this one because you can get a really bad model as well, and the output is not that good. That's why I'm usually using side by side, which is two models that you can choose. The Gemini 2.5 Pro and the Sonnet. You can use Sonnet 4.5 and I will use ChatGPT 5. I prepared a simple prompt which says, what are the latest AI news and what are the best 5 use cases? I think it will demonstrate how powerful this free AI LMArena is. So after clicking enter, they are starting to prompt in front of you. You can see how these two different models has the different kind of mindset. The Claude Sonnet 4.5 created a quick summary what he will do, and after that, he will give you the prompt or results. They provided 5 new AI news and the use cases. Sonnet 4.5 is a bit more clear. I really like this kind of layout. Since it's the two best models, I would not see that much difference. And they summarize all of the new AI news, for example, the Sora. However, their model is only trained until April 2024. So be attention, be aware of this. And for GPT-5 as well. This Sora, what he's mentioning, is not the Sora 2 which recently came out. This is a really, really good example that demonstrates that you should always check what facts they are taking for granted. In the past 1.5 years, a lot has changed, and this is why it's really important to first know what biases the AI has. So for this, I would give it a tie. But if you want to be more specific, you can use direct chat, can generate new images by clicking this generate image button. After that, you describe what you want, either in a prompt, but I would recommend to upload an image and then iterate that one because then you set a benchmark for the model use for further development. For now, I will set Nano Banana, so the Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is something which is really good at keeping consistency, and you would not even notice that it's AI generated in some cases. However, you should always be aware that it can make some mistakes as well. After choosing the image that you like, you can give in the prompt. Use the uploaded image and generate a picture based on this image, keeping the consistency and the frame where I am sitting on a beach, sipping a cocktail in the sunset, and make it hyper realistic. For me, this will be a simple prompt, however, it showcases how the Nano Banana is actually working. It will take around 12 seconds to generate the image. There's a timer here as well. He just generated my face, put the consistency, sipping a cocktail in the sunset on the beach. I have actually no problem with this image. It's a bit weird how the straw is put into my mouth. Other than that, everything is perfect. You can always download this, like or dislike, to give a feedback to the large language model. After downloading it, you can use it freely. However, pay attention to this little watermark. And there is one last tip that I would recommend, that you should not open this in your normal Chrome browser, but you should always open a new incognito tab. And after opening a new incognito tab, you will get the chance to use it freely for as long as you want, so as much prompt as you want. Because it has no memories who you are, it will not set a limit how many prompts you can do each day, so you can use it as freely as you want. After it sets these limits, for example, it's 3 images each day, you can just close the incognito tab and reopen it, and then you will get 3 images again. So this is my technique, how you can get infinite amount of prompts for free on your browser. There is no catch in it. It's just the way how the models are working, and this is how they are learning. Thank you for being here with me. And for new AI tips and tricks, subscribe and leave a comment what you think about this.